Good morning, my students. I am so happy that you can finally see me, even if it's from a screen. I have missed you guys, and I am excited to get started virtual learning with you. Right now, you have an attendance question. This is important because if you want to get marked for attendance, then you must answer the question. It asks for like a couple sentences, but honestly, I just need something to know that you were here and online at some point today. If you were not able to get a Chromebook and you are looking from maybe a device or an iPad or tablet, that's fine. You should still be able to answer it. And if you don't have any sort of device and you're looking at this maybe tomorrow or Friday or whatever day, that's fine as well. We know people are still going to be using Chromebooks and getting their Chromebooks. So all I ask is that you keep in contact with me, let me know, and we'll go on from there. After the attendance question, there are a couple things in vocabulary that you're going to be doing today just so that I can make sure everybody can get into the vocabulary app. I will post another video shortly showing you what to do from there.